Get out from behind the tree. This is my view from Betty Lou. It is September 23rd, 2012. We are in Port Townsend, Washington, and our day is just beginning. He's having a ball on a corner, doing what he does. People waving, people pointing at him.
How you doing? Love your smile.
He's a good man, and he loves what he does. Living his joy, dancing his joy into the world. There he is. Ha 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 ha.